In a world facing a global supply chain crisis, manufacturers must adapt to survive. Let's explore how Oracle supply chain technology leads the way. The global crisis has disrupted industries. While cost saving may tempt inaction, it risks missed opportunities and future vulnerabilities. Enter Oracle Fusion Cloud Supply Chain Management. Harness cutting-edge technology to enhance supply chain resilience and revolutionize your operations. Oracle Fusion Cloud SCM delivers multi-tier visibility, AI-powered manufacturing, and intelligent track and trace. These features redefine supply chain management. Proactively manage inventory, production, and fulfillment. With visibility, adapt to disruptions and make informed decisions with ease. Intelloger bridges the gap between challenges and solutions. Unlock your supply chain's potential with Oracle technology. Visit us at Intelloger.com. Thank you.